Remember the older Christmas tree lights where half of your string would be off and you had to check each bulb for the one that was blown out? Then once you replaced that one bulb, all of the other lights in that string would reignite and the whole strand would light. I'd say your small business dreams are like that. You have one thing that's blocking all of your endeavors, all of your dreams, and all of your bright ideas, just like that one blown out bulb. As J.P. Morgan states, the first step to getting somewhere is deciding you don't want to stay where you are. So what's the first step to move you towards your goal? At this time next year, what will you be thankful you spent time on? I know, it can be scary. All you have to do is start. Every great opportunity has many reasons why it could fail. You have to trust your ability to solve problems along the way. Most importantly, don't let perfect be the enemy of good. Focus on something you want to create and go and create. Then come back and tell me what it was. I'll give you a virtual high five in the comments.